Hello and welcome to Prop Tiger's Right to Home online event, where we will connect prospective home buyers with reputed developers and their top projects across the country. I'm your host Shubham Dubey, and to help you pick the best properties option in across Mumbai, we have with us esteemed panelist Mr. Ankit Maharshi, Head Channel Sales Chanda Group, and Kaushal, who's the Sales Manager from Chanda Group, who will answer some of the most pertaining queries related to the projects. From PropTiger, we have team leader Salman, who will be understanding the queries related to site visits and other inquiries, and he will answer on the behalf of PropTiger. We will start with the PPT and followed with the video, and then question answers, understanding the prospect, followed with the PPT and the questionnaires from the home buyer. Kaushal from Sales Manager Chanda Group will take ahead from the PPT of the from the Chanda Group. Can we play the PPT?
Afternoon. My name is Kaushal Sedani. I'm the panelist from Chandar Group. So before going ahead with the project, I would give a brief about the developer that is Chandar Group. So if you see, we have worked over 30 years in this sector where we have developed 4 million plus areas. I've delivered 4,000 plus flats to happy family. We go by a tagline that is promises made, promises kept. So some of our success stories, if you see, in last 3 years, we have delivered 6 projects with OC. And here are the names. So the first project that is 49 Ideal that we have delivered in Juhu. From CC to OC, we have just delivered this apartment in 20 months. Then we have a second project in Goregaon West, goes by the name Stella, which we have delivered in 23 months. The other projects are Sparkling Wings in Daisar East, which we have completed in just 36 months. Paloma, that is again in Goregaon East, that we have completed in 23 months. The other projects are Atmosphere in Mulund West and Harmony in Kandili West. So I'll be taking you through the project that is Park Expedia that is in Goregaon West. Since this is the third project in Goregaon West, we have taken one step ahead where we have got two international companies on board. The first company being Ethospace, who have worked in 7 countries, having a professional experience of 20 years, delivered 100 projects around the globe. One of the finest example is High Street Retail in USA. The interior lobby of that has been designed by Ethospace. So this company will be doing the double-heighted entrance lobby of our project as well as all the indoor amenities. Over and about this, the second company which we have hired is GSA, that is Green Space Alliance, and they are our landscape architect. The same company who has done the landscaping of American University. They have an experience of 15 years, that worked in 10 plus countries and delivered 200 projects around the world. If you see the connectivity of the project, that is Park Expedia, is at its prime location. The project lies between SV Road and Linking Road, where SV Road is hardly 2-3 minutes away, another 3-4 minutes is Goregaon West Station. On the backside, we have Linking Road that is hardly 6 to 7 minutes away. Out there, we have a connectivity of metro line coming up. The closest metro station will be Shasti Nagar. Apart from these two roads, the third and the most important road in Western Belt is the Western Express Highway. That is hardly 10 to 12 minutes away. Apart from all the connectivity, all the three roads, if we talk about schools, colleges, hospitals, vegetable market, or mall, everything comes in the vicinity of our project. Experience international lifestyle at its finest. The building has a attractive elevation. We have a double-heighted grand entrance lobby. Over and above this, we are offering you 34 plus luxury and lifestyle amenities. Here are the gist of the amenities what we are providing at 34 at Park Expedia. They are spa, landscape, garden, swimming pool. Even if you see at the swimming pool, it's not an ordinary shape swimming pool. What we are offering you out here is the organic shape like swimming pool. Cafeteria, library, kids activity room. This is one of the unique amenities what we are offering. It's for the working couples where they can drop a child out here with a caretaker, peacefully go out to work, pick them up from the project, and then head home. We also are providing a dining room facility out here in the project. So out here we are offering 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. where if you're expecting say 18 to 20 guests at your place, it becomes too difficult to adjust these many people at your place. So one can always pre-book the dining room, get done with the function at their place, and shift down and enjoy a meal altogether. Then we have jogging track, banquet hall. Along with the banquet hall, we have also made a provision of kitchen right next to it. Then we have fitness zone, barbecue area, and many, many more. Here are the two views. The right hand side image one can see is the Malad Creek. The image is from the terrace. While using the amenities on the terrace like hammock, park, yoga lawn, one can cherish this beautiful view that is Malad Creek. On the left hand side, the smaller images of the city view. I'll be taking through some photos of the project. One can see the multi-purpose lawn. There will be 3 entrances to the project. We also, over and above the 2 international companies, we have also got a theme in the project that is from Gardens by the Bay. That is the orange featured element spread it across the E-deck level. This is the shape of the swimming pool, which is organic shape, which one can find in resorts or in the hotels. One of the unique amenity is the multi-purpose lawn. The area of this lawn is 6,500 square feet, where one can play football, cricket, or any other outdoor sports. This is the building elevation where one can go in any of the wing, any of the floor, and cherish an unobstructed view lifetime. This is again an image of the E-deck level from the Eagle view. Here are the amenities what we are offering on the E-deck level. The other amenities that is on the terrace are right out here on the presentation. So this is the layout of the 1 BHK. The total carpet area is 391, unlike any other layout of a typical 1 BHK where one enters into the living room, have a straight passage that leads to a common washroom, kitchen, and the common bedroom. The first thing what we have eliminated in the layout is the passage area where one can use to its maximum potential. It's a zero wastage policy where one enters into a living room that has a dimension of approximately 17 by 10. Then we have a master bedroom of 10 by 11 with attached washroom, and kitchen is of 7 into 7.6. If you can see the layout where we are provided with 2 washrooms, one is attached to the living room and second one is in the bedroom. So the privacy of the bedroom is getting maintained out here. In 2 BHK, we are offering you 2 layouts, that is 494 square feet as well as 605. This 494 square feet is exactly similar to the 1 BHK where you will get an additional room on the opposite side of the bedroom. That is approximately 99 square feet. On the left hand side is the proper layout of the 2 BHK where one enters from the top into the living room that is approximately 180 square feet. On the right hand side of the image, we have a proper master bedroom of 132 square feet with an attached washroom of 8 by 4.1. On the opposite side of the living room, we have a convertible master bedroom where one can use the bedroom as a common bedroom in the daytime, common washroom in the daytime, and can place a door out here and convert that into a master bedroom. Also, we have the kitchen on the lower end that is 9.6 into 8.2. This one is the layout of the 3 BHK that is 846 square feet, where one enters from the left bottom into the living room that is approximately 22 by 11. On the top, we have a kitchen area that is 7 by 11. The first common bedroom and the common washroom is out here in the center that is 110 square feet. The right top is the first master bedroom that is 12 by 10 square, 120 square feet with attached washroom. The right bottom is the proper master bedroom, a spacious master bedroom that is 11 by 13, that is 143 square feet with attached washroom. Over and above this, we have also given a provision for a 2+2 Jodi apartment where one wants a flat that is about 1200 square feet. The total area is 1233, where one enters into the living room, that is approximately 350 square feet. On the right top, we have the kitchen area that is approximately 110. The best part about this layout where one can convert all the 4 bedrooms into a master bedroom, or they can keep 3 master bedroom, keep 1 common bedroom and common washroom. The layout has minimal wastage. Like there's hardly any wastage area in with respect to passage area. A proposition like no others. So the 1 BHK, the agreement value is 93 lakh rupees. For 2 BHK is 143 CR. The 3 BHK cost 2 CR. The smart 2 BHK, the cost is 1 crore 17 lakh rupees. The agreement value includes a car park, no clubhouse charges, no amenity charges, no infra charges. A car park costs somewhere around 7 to 8 lakh rupees in this vicinity. Clubhouse charges offering you more than 34 amenities. We can easily charge somewhere around 3 lakh rupees. Infra charges, development charges, everything is included. The best part, the rate also includes the stamp duty out here. The rates which you are seeing, the only thing which you have to pay over and above this is the 5% GST, 40,000 registration charges. Corpus fund on 1 BHK is 50,000, 2 BHK is 70,000, and 3 BHK fetches somewhere around 90,000. That's it. Nothing over and above the price which we have shown on the screen. So this is the photo of the sales center out here in Goregaon West, where one will explain you the entire model. Will also take you through the show apartment and sample apartments of 1 BHK and 2 BHK. The one image which you are seeing is the show apartment of 1 BHK. This one is the 2 BHK show apartment, which we'll take you once you visit the site. The second site we also have in Worli that goes by the name Cornerstone. The connectivity of this project is at its maximum, where Bandra Worli Sea Link is 2.6 kilometers away. The stations that are Mahalakshmi and Lower Parel are just 2.8 and 1.3 kilometers away. If we talk about the airports, that is domestic as well as international airports, are 15.2 to 15.3 kilometers respectively. Apart from this, if we talk about hospitals like Global Hospital, that is 4.1 kilometer away, Hinduja Hospital, that is 5.9 kilometers away, Rich Candy Hospital, that is 3.9 kilometers away. If we talk about entertainments like High Street Phoenix, that is hardly 500 meters away, PVR, that is 700 meters away, Inox, that is 1.5 kilometers away. Worli Sports Club is 2.8 kilometers away. Apart from this, if we talk about cover shift hubs like Kamla Mills, that is 1.5 kilometers away. PKC, that is 12.7. One India Bulls, 2.4 kilometers. Restaurants like Chopper Chimney, Hard Rock Cafe, Barbecue Area, and Gajali are all in our vicinity. So this is a 360 view from the site, where the north faces towards the Raja Atlantis, the west face towards Marathon area, south faces towards the Mahalakshmi racecourse, and you get a view from the east that is towards the Arabian Sea. These are the amenities that we are offering on the E-Deck level. This is a glimpse of the E-Deck level, how that will be coming up, where we'll have place swimming pools, benches, seating arrangements, where one can relax the entire day out there. Again, some glimpse of the image. The amenities that we are going to provide on this sky deck level. So this is a typical floor plan of the Worli Cornerstone, where on the both the extremes we have 2 BHK. The bottom two flats can be converted into a 2+2 Jodi apartment that has an area of more than 1300 square feet. The best part out here, if you see the layout, the floors which are about 36 to 40, we have also given a balcony to it. Like each and every apartment has a balcony. Say for an example, the flat number 1 that has an area of 610. Along with that, you're getting a balcony of 175 square feet. The bottom two apartments, the area of those are 660 each, where one we are providing with another 60 square feet of balcony area. The flat number 4 is 607 square feet with a balcony area of another 160. The best part, along with these four apartments on one floor, we are providing with four lift, one service lift, as well as one servant toilet on the same floor. This is a typical layout of the Jodi apartment of 2 BHK. One enters into a living room that is approximately 360 square feet. The kitchen area is 75 square feet. We have also designated place for the dining area of 100 square feet. Again, out here, all the four bedrooms can be converted into master bedroom, or it depends on y'all. If you want to convert three into master bedroom, keep one as a common bedroom and a common washroom for the guests. A typical layout of a 2 BHK, which we are selling separately, the area of this is 607, where one enters into the living room that is 170 square feet. The kitchen area is approximately 75 square feet. Out here also, you can convert both of your bedrooms into a master bedroom, or you can keep one master bedroom and one common bedroom and a common washroom. So once the client is coming at the site, we have the show flat ready out here, where we'll be taking them to the show apartment where they can get a good idea about it. And here are some images of those. The pricing of the apartments out there are from 1st to 31st floor. The carpet area of 584 has an agreement value of 2 crore 75 lakh rupees. From 35th floor to 40th floor, we have three variants, that is 717, 767, 784. That has an agreement value of 3.36 CR, 3.60 CR, 3.68 CR, respectively. The payment plan is as follows, that is 10% on booking amount, then you have to pay again 10% within 2 months. The next 20% is directly on the terrace slab. The balance, that is 60%, which you have to pay directly on OC. It's again a flexible payment plan where one can plan their finances out here. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Kaushal, for running us through the entire details about the project. To know more about a group, to our viewers, we will have a video which will talk about the previous project and move ahead with the questionnaire round. Ankit, the first question is for you.
Yeah, Shubham.
Tell us about your project in 34 Park Street and Cornerstone. What are your offerings here? How is the progress going?
Well, Shubham, 34 Park State, as you must also be knowing, is undoubtedly one of the fastest selling products in the complete Mumbai in past 1 year. The project has done more than 800 units from July 20, and the project has a great acceptance amongst clients. Clients nowadays have become extremely smart. They do not confine themselves to the name of the developer or the construction quality or the location. Obviously, these are still the priority for any customer, but a lot of perspectives have changed. The customers nowadays also look at what are the amenities, how practical they are, when is the possession timeline, are they going to get possession on time, uh, also is the price worth the preposition, and also is the payment plan structured in a way that would enable them to make the buy, then the purchase. So I think a lot of more factors have indulged in past few years in making the client decide which product to go for, and 34 Park State particularly has been exceptionally good at it and has been successful in making these clients choose this preposition for themselves. Talking about Cornerstone, Cornerstone is one of a preposition which is quite unique in Worli. You would not see these kind of sizes in this particular type of ticket size in that particular micro market. People who have been wanting to upgrade their lifestyle, wanting to move to Worli, they have now got a very good option for themselves with amenities in the center of Worli to make a shift.
Thank you. Our another viewer wants to know what is the future of market like Goregaon and Worli is in terms of price rise.
If you talk about Goregaon per se, if I particularly talk about Western Goregaon, there are not many projects currently which are ongoing. So consumers right now have very limited options of good developments with amenities, and certainly if a developer is going ahead and making a flagship project in this particular area with 34 plus lifestyle amenities, the acceptance is quite high, and these kind of prepositions would definitely uh, get higher values in times to come. So the return of investment, I must say, is going to be quite good. Similarly, is the case of Worli. I would say Worli in the ticket segment that we are currently placed in at Worli. It is a unique preposition which would definitely get a good ROI for any customer.
Thank you. Salman, we have another questions for you. One of our viewer wants to know, Mumbai is primarily a high-end property market where the return on investment is quite debatable. What would you like to say about that?
So that is a very common question nowadays we are getting from the customer. So as we know, Mumbai is a financial capital hub for the India, right? Where if you see the cities rate across the India is very high in comparison with other cities. Mumbai is very expensive. And if I'll talk about Mumbai, so Mumbai has a reputation like unlike other cities, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, they can expand, wherein Mumbai cannot expand, right? So Chanda Group smartly use that potential and they come up with the smart luxury affordable product. And they are the master of martial art of it, how to make it, how to deliver it. So this all factor make Mumbai and Goregaon location very promising.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ankit, we have another question for you from one of our viewer who wants to know, why do you think this is exactly the right time to buy a property?
Well, with the bank loans, bank loan interest rates at their lowest in a very long time, with government taking intervention in reducing the stamp duty, and developers at the moment giving huge discounts. This is the time. This is a sale going on. Seldom would you find in real estate a time where all the odds are towards the customer. This is the time to purchase, and this is for the time for any developer to make a sale. No one is missing a chance. Neither should your customers. Neither should us.
Sure. Thank you. Ankit, we have another question for you. What is the minimum down payment amount a buyer has to pay for booking the unit in projects?
So at Goregaon right now, my minimum payment is 10% at the moment. If a client wants to buy, he'll have to pay 10%. The good part about this, which did not happen earlier, is that this 10% includes the stamp duty. Before, when a customer wanted to buy, he had to pay 10% and the stamp duty was exclusive of it. He had to keep that liquidity of stamp duty in his hand. But
Right.
currently, he has to pay 10%, which is inclusive of stamp duty, which saves a lot of money right now, and not a major contribution at the moment. So 10% inclusive of stamp duty of the agreement value is what he has to pay right now.
Okay.
In Worli, again, the contribution would be 10%, but the stamp duty is going to be exceptional. So he'll have to pay stamp duty at Worli.
Thank you. Salman, the next question is for you. One of our viewers wants to know, can you share some tips for our investors who want to invest in under construction properties? Things they should be cautious about.
Right. So for understanding about the under construction property, you should understand about the location first and the development which is coming surrounding yours. So in Mumbai, if you see the development makes and strong to the product in terms of giving appreciation and booster for the particular location. So whenever you are putting any amount or any money into under construction company product, make sure there is surrounding going to be developed in terms of infrastructure connectivity. When this both thing will come, automatically commercial will take the place and your rental and under construction company will give you best return. So checking RERA again is one of the important part, and checking developer history whenever you're planning to going into under construction, that is also very important.
Thank you, Salman. Ankit, we have last question for you. One of our viewers want to know, what is that one thing that home buyers likes the most about Chandak projects?
Well, that one thing would be worth. It is worthy of what the preposition is. I would say there are several projects offering all sort of amenities nowadays: swimming pool, skating arena, landscape garden, car-free podium, gym, banquet hall, movie theater, kids play area, library. These are some things which have become very common. There are a set of things that are exceptional in this ticket size, which the western belt of Mumbai had not seen before. Uh, People recognize that. People know the practical usage of a private dining space or probably a cafe inside the development. These are small things which have added up and contributed to the worth of the project. The pricing of the project is kept or is in a way that people can afford it and still feel that they are living in a very luxurious project. That's the one thing that people have recognized, and that's the very reason of the fabulous sale that the project has done till now.
Thank you. Well, that was all for today. We wind up the session. I would request our panelists to please give their closing statements.
Well, I would like to acknowledge Prop Tiger for always coming up and giving the consumer a platform where he can find a buffet of projects. And see, home buying has never been an easy process, and to find a platform where you can get all sort of projects and all the options that are available in the market is very good. And similarly, from the developers, thank you, Prop Tiger, to give us the same platform to showcase the preposition that we have.
Thank you, Ankit. Thank you, panelists, for joining us. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop in your queries on our social media channels. We will see you next episode of our Project Talk series. Till then, take care and happy home buying. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shubham.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Salman.
Thank you, Ankit. Bye bye.